Thing is, my lovely, wonderful people, not be small thing they happen, so northern elders don't raise concern. They say with what is going on now, they hope at the end of the day, there will be opposition legislators left. With the way, APC has declared war on opposition legislators. Say if you did pay attention, you go to hear say, APC currently now, the new trend, okay, the new thing that they are doing now is that they are using court to sack all Labour Party, you know, uh, uh, you know, people who won the election. Okay, so House of Rep, House of Representatives, senators, and the rest. They are using, courts to sack them. This is the new trend. So northern elders are raising concern that this is not a healthy democracy. With the way they are going, they sincerely hope that at the end of the day, there will be, opposition legislators that will be left, and it's wrong. What they are doing now is not acceptable in any way, form, or kind. Why would you start sacking people because they are not for you? It's wrong. We hope that at the end of the day there will be some opposition legislators left. Northern elders Shehu Sani also reacts to the new trend. Former Kaduna lawmaker and civil rights activist Shehu Sani and Northern Elder have expressed concerns about the outcome of election petition being concluded in various tribunals across Nigeria. Taking to his verified Twitter handle, Shehu Sani shared his unease about the significant number of victories being secured by the ruling of Progressive Congress over opposition legislators going on currently now. APC senators, House of Rep members are beginning to come on board, sacking all Labour Party legislators. This is wrong. They won the election, but now they are using the court to sack others. Sani tweeted, post on Saturday, September the 16th, stressed that although there have been instances where the opposition parties have achieved favorable court ruling, the majority of the judgment have favored the ruling of Progressive Congress. This observation likely stems up from Northern Elders' perception as a former legislator and activist who clearly follows political development. In concluding his tweet, Shehu Sani expressed hope that there will still be substantial presence of opposition lawyers in the 10th National Assembly with the trend of things. As the court proceedings continue, we must ensure we protect our democracy. Politicians are ready to do anything and everything for them to stay on top and to do what they can do to bring Nigerians into a place where they decide the law without any opposition and there is nobody to watch them and say this is wrong. This is the new trend of what is going on now. This is the new trend of what is going on now. We just need to begin to, speak out. Recently they've been using the tribunal to sack other opposition. That's what they've been doing. And you just hear that, APC has won. APC has won, although according to him, there have been also areas where others have won, but it's becoming a new trend. And they want to do it so that they occupy the House, they occupy Senate, and there is no opposition. So when they bring something, nobody is able to, to look at it, scrutinize it, and say, we don't think this is right. Will this profit the people? Because opposition is good. Opposition is good. It makes you ready. It makes you steadfast. It makes you, focus. It makes you see things, where you may not have viewed it, the way you may not have seen it. It brings to light some of the things that you may not have paid attention to. And why, they are not to be focused on. However, they help to shape. Because when you know that somebody is going to go through your work, scrutinize it, and give an opinion, you'll be more careful, you'll be more diligent, because it will be better that there is no concern rather than there is an opposition. So you will pay great attention. These are some of the things that are going on right now. And Northern Elder Shehu Sani is saying, with the way things are going, are you sure that at the end of the day, we'll have a healthy government with the way APC and every one of them, are using the courts to get themselves there? Is this what we are planning for Nigerians? We don't think this is a healthy, position or relationship at all. We need to be very, very steadfast that these things, are put properly, decently, and in order. So, my lovely, wonderful people, what do you think with all this trend going on? If you've been paying attention, you will know that they've been using the courts to sack some other people so that they can occupy those places. Is that what it ought to be? Who voted for them anyway? If you know what is happening, Nigerian youth stood together. They came together and they say, you know what? Let us get the opposition out because we did not feel their impact as a government. And they themselves came together and say, you cannot drive us out. So who voted for them? Apart from those who are seeking to get position, say, okay, if you enter, you go make me commission, I go make me this. Who else voted? So where did they get the vote from? That's some of the issues and some of the questions being raised. So Nigerians, it is a very serious one. We must continue to pray for our democracy. We must continue to speak out. We must continue to ensure that we safeguard our democracy. No one will do it for us. We must be honest and sincere and ready to ensure that our democracy stands. Irrespective of what is going on today, we must be ready to ensure that the democracy becomes what we've been praying for. We cannot continue to pretend that everything is going well. We cannot continue to pretend. So these are some of the things that are going on right now. Well, my lovely, wonderful people, it's about time that as a nation, as a people, we rise up and we ensure that, that which has been against us, we turn it into our favor. Yes, it's possible. Yes, yes, we can. We can do that. We can turn the tides. It is possible. So these are some of the things that are going on. These are some of the things that are happening. And it's about time we begin to speak out. And one of the ways we can speak out is ensuring that which belongs to us is not being taken away. So Nigerians, this is what is happening. These are some of the things going on, and every single one of us needs to pay attention and ensure that we have a healthy democratic system that could benefit us all. Yes, so it is what it is. Please don't forget, you are important in all of this, and we all are important. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. Yes, let's speak out and end everything that will not move us forward. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye-bye.